Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this chapter, we will learn on graphing techniques, which is transformation. So there are 4 types of transformation altogether. Let's see the first one, which is the vertical shift. So in vertical shift, we can shift it vertically. Either the graph will going upward or the graph will going downward. So when does the graph go up? When your function y equal to fx, you have plus c outside of it. Alright, so if you have plus c, therefore the graph will go up. For example, if you see this question here, a quadratic graph, y equal to x squared. Okay, so if you have y equal to x squared plus 2, meaning that for this question here, this graph, the smiley graph, should go up by 2 units. So how should we graph this? Let us first draw the basic graph. This is just a smiley graph with coordinates 0, 0, 1, 1, and minus 1, 1. So this is the basic coordinate of a smiley graph. So when you want to shift up by 2 units, meaning that, let me draw, the graph will go up like this. Okay, so now let's put in the coordinate 0, 0. When you go up by 2 units, now this will be 0, 2. How about this coordinate here? 1, 1. When you go up by 2 units, now this will become 1, 3. And then minus 1, 1. When you go up by 2 units, now this will becomes minus 1, 3. So now you have finished graphing y equal to x squared plus 2. So that is the case of going upward. Let's go to the case of going downward. The graph y equal to fx will go down when you have minus c outside of the graph. Okay, let's see here. For example, y equal to x squared minus 2. You can see that minus 2 is at the end of this x squared here, meaning that first you need to draw the basic graph y equal to x squared. Now you need to draw a new graph which will go down by 2 units. So this is the new graph. So what will happen to the coordinate from 0, 0? Now if you go down by 2, your new coordinate is 0, minus 2. And then let's see here, this coordinate here, 1, 1. When you go down by 2 units, the new coordinate now is 1, minus 1. And another one, minus 1, 1. When you go down by 2 units, now the new coordinate is minus 1, minus 1. Now let us see the second example here, y equal to square root of x. So this is the basic graph. Let me put the coordinate of the basic graph. You should have 0, 0. And another one here, you should have 1, 1. So let's see here, the question said, find y equal to square root of x plus 2. Okay, so plus 2 here, meaning that this is going upward by 2 units. So let me graph from this black line here, the graph here, let's go up by 2 units. Okay, so this should be your new graph. So when you go up by 2 units, therefore the new coordinate now is 0, 2. How about 1, 1 here? So 1, 1, when you go up by 2 units, now this will become 1, 3. So this is the graph for y equal to square root of x plus 2. Now let's see the next question, y equal to square root of x minus 2. So you can see here that this minus 2, meaning that this graph here should go down by 2 units. Now let me draw the new graph. Okay, you have go down by 2 units. So the new coordinate now is 0, minus 2. So 1, 1 here also, when you go down by 2 units, your new coordinate is 1, minus 1. So this is the graph of y equal to square root of x minus 2.